Hello guys, welcome back to A app. For today's video, here going to show you or discuss with you how to fix Shopify A and CNAME entered incorrectly. So if you're interested, let's start tutorial. So usually if you are or you've entered your A and CNAME records on your Shopify store here, usually it's pretty easy to fix. So what you could do here is you just need to reset the connection. Now, what you could do is you want to go ahead and open up your Shopify store. Click on settings at the bottom left here. And you want to go access the option here for your domain. Now, if you already connected your domain here, so what you just need to do is usually you have the three dot option or settings option here. You just basically delete your domain here. And once you've done that, you want to make sure that you reconnect it. Now, by the way, if you've actually haven't, if you can't delete this yourself, you just click on the default one. So in this case, myshopify.com here, choose that domain, and just make sure that you make this as your primary domain. So if you can't delete it. But once you make this as your primary domain and reselect your domain that you already added here, you should have the option to delete that. But usually speaking here, you can go and click on connect existing domain and just enter your domain here. So just give an example, I have an GoDaddy account here. Let's go and open up our account. Let's go ahead and access our products and access our domain. So in this case, just wait for this to load up, and we want to go and access our domain. And in here you want to go to domains, and from here let's go ahead and copy our actual domain here. From here, just go and go back into Shopify, enter our domain, click on next, and in here you just need to basically start connecting this. So you could go ahead and click on connect automatically here, or you could choose connect manually. Now if you choose connect automatically here, this just requires you to log in into your account. But if you click on connect manually, you have the option to review your actual A and CNAME records. Now you can go and go back into GoDaddy here or whatever platform you're using, and just need to click on DNS, and basically you just start re-adding your DNS in here. Just make sure you don't have a duplicate on this one. Go and click on the edit button and just update all the information here. But yeah, so in this case, that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to A and CNAME. Thank you for watching.